Psalms 138, verse 5, 6, 7, and 8 says, Ye, they shall sing in the way of the Lord, for great is the glory of the Lord. 6 say, Thou the Lord be high, yet hath he respect unto the lowly, but the proud he knoweth afar off. 7 say, Though I walk in the midst of trouble, thou wilt revive me. Thou shalt stretch forth, thou shalt stretch forth thy hand against the wrath of my enemies, and thy right hand shall save me. 8 says, The Lord will perfect that which concerneth me. Thy mercy, O Lord, endureth forever. Forsake not the works of thine own hands.